Let's go drift it.
Hey guys, I'm the Drifting Dad. Today I'm going to show you how I installed the drop brackets on my RX7. So these parts are the parts that I've designed in my previous video. Hopefully you've recognized them from that. Alpha Waterjet really came through in the clutch and got me these parts to me on Saturday before my event on Sunday. So I was able to put them on and run them. Initial testing seems good. I'm definitely going to do some more. You can see that they're really nice pieces. They're 1/8 inch steel. Cut them out. They also went above and beyond and sanded both sides and the edges. So nice professional looking part. I would definitely recommend using them for any of your metal cutting or plastic cutting, whatever parts you're designing need to be made. They did a great job. Good turnaround. Here are the brackets all fitted up. You can see that I needed to drill a second hole for the shock mount. So after I did that, I remounted them up to see how they fit. Here are the brackets all mounted up. You can see here that the lower suspension link needs to be lengthened a bit, and I will be doing that in the future by making some heimed lower links. Now I've got the brackets all painted up and reinstalled, and I want to show you the articulation on the suspension now. What I've done is taken both springs out in the rear, and I'm going to jack this up. So you can see, look, I am able, probably can't see that, but I'm at full bump and I'm not binding. So obviously moving these control arms to the correct location has helped a whole lot. And this is also with the sway bar still connected. So I think I need to get even more articulation with the sway bar disconnected. And next time I take the car out, I'm definitely going to do some testing without a rear sway bar. See how that does, see the difference there with the grip levels. Thanks guys for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. In the next installment on upgrading my rear suspension, I'm going to be making some rod end jointed lower links for the rear suspension, and I'm hoping that will even allow more articulation from the suspension and get me more grip and less binding overall. So we'll see what happens there. I've got the parts. I'm definitely introduce that. I've got rod end supply helping me out, which is really cool. So please take a look at my sponsors and let me know what you think of this video, and I'll see you guys later.